What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Trevor. Today we are going to be fixing Dora. There's a few things on Dora that have been bugging. Beyblade. Either way, there's a few things that have been bugging us on Dora. It's really driving me nuts. Finally got a package in the mail and I couldn't be more excited. The only thing is I'm still waiting on this company to get back to me on the other piece that I need. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm gonna flip this camera around, show you what we're dealing with. Alright, so this is it. We've got our mirror pieces, driver, passenger, for Dora. Let's go outside, check her out real quick. Show you why we need to replace this, tell you why, explain it a little bit. This mirror I hit on the garage door, and this is the piece I'm trying to figure out what I need is the actual mirror. Trying to figure out what I need there. And on the passenger side, we had a mishap at Sonic, and it looks beautiful, but it's all electrical tape holding this together. And then I clipped this and the front of it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace that, and it's gonna look brand spanking new because luckily the glass on this didn't get broken. Woo, that was good. Good luck right there. Now, hopefully they'll get back to me soon and we can get this glass order. But for the meantime, we're gonna get rid of this ugly tape and get that fixed. And then eventually we will buy the new covers here and get those fixed as well. Anyhow, this is going to be a how-to on how to do that. I hope you guys enjoy. So we're going to look on our passenger side here. The first thing to do... Oh, Riley wants to say hi.
Hi.
The first thing you got to do is you got to pop this off. And... I don't know if I can do it one-handed. There you go. Just kind of get your hand under it and then... rock it back and forth and pops right off. 3 little clips. Set that there. And then we got some bolts. I'm gonna get the sizes real quick. But I wanted to mention that if you have these weather guards and you put them on, you should probably not put them on like I did because it makes it a little tougher to get this out. I'll show you what I mean in a little bit. This is a 10 millimeter and we want to loosen it. So you break that loose. I'm just gonna use my hands because then if it falls down there, it's kind of a pain. And there is, you can see one down there. I'll show you how to get to that. Actually, I think there's 2. No, it is just the one. So you're gonna have to pop off this connector. Can you hold the camera, Rue?
Hi guys.
Thank you. Make sure it stays right there so they can see. No, don't do that. Well, there we go. So now that's out. Now we can show them. Let's go ahead and show them the next bolt right down in there. And in order to get that, we're just going to pull this back a little bit.
Can you let me see it?
Yes, Riley, you can see it. It's right there, where your finger is. Okay, we're going to get a socket and get that one off. Thank you, Riley. So now we got our wrench here.
Yeah, that's the
and we're going to put that on there. And break it loose.
Yeah, only they can only hear it from you for your real name.
And if you hold this, then
Okay.
I bet you can reach your little finger in here and you can spin this. Can you reach your finger in there and spin that? And then Daddy will catch it. So yep, just set that there. Reach in here and spin the nut. And then I'll catch it with my finger.
Which way? This way?
Other way. You want to loosen it so you go left. Yep, go ahead.
Whoever watching this video, give it a like and subscribe.
You heard the man. So now we got those bolts off. And now we can You know what? I think I forgot one. So I forgot you have these two and then this one right here. Don't forget this guy.
Are you thinking the whole entire door off?
No. Okay. Now we got that out. We're gonna kind of wiggle it out.
Like a chicken. That wiggles.
And then come over to this other side.
Please, hello. And have a good day.
Alright, so let's I want him to see this. Can you zoom in on this piece right here? Don't zoom in, just point it at this piece. Don't zoom in. Alright. So now you'll see why I said I probably put those a little too high, because you gotta lift it up to get it out.
Let me see what's
And
inside.
there's so
Let me see what's
hold on, we're gonna show them. Unzoom it. So there's your two on the side and the one that's in the front, your plug, and then there's also this little clip here that holds in, so you want to pull out and
Yeah,
up.
good job, Dad.
Thanks. Now let's go tear this apart.
Dad,
Inside.
Can I show them what it is?
Go ahead and show them.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at it.
Alright, there we go. Now our mirror is looking new again. We got our cover on the bottom here. We got our puddle light put back in. And now she looks almost new. She's really dirty. But we're going to go ahead and put her back on the car here. And then we'll get her cleaned up. So you got to remember this tab here. You want to, I got to push it up against mine there. Kind of like so. So I got to put mine in at an angle and then go down. See, this is tricky because you're trying to get that little plastic piece, and hopefully you guys can see it. You want that little plastic piece to go up in that hole. I'm gonna shut the door. Try this with both hands. But that little plastic tab there goes in that hole, and then your two screws go there, and your third one goes right there. It's a lot simpler with two hands. So now we've got that in. We got our plug here. I'm gonna wait to plug that in because I'd like to get that bolt in there first. Or I'm sorry, that nut. We're gonna put this bolt over here. Help secure it. Make sure it don't fall. Get the top nut. Get that on there a little bit. And now for that bottom one. Luckily there's that little pad there. Just kind of pull this back. Sorry for the jumping around. Alright, well, there we go. Now we got this one tightened down. We got these two tightened down. Got our plug back in. Last but not least is our cover. Bam. Done. Now, there's no more hideous tape, and this thing looks beautiful. Now let's test out that light. I'll probably did it wrong and have to take it back off and redo it. Anyhow, that is how it's done. And now, we've just got to do this other side and see what it does. See if I can figure out. Please drop your questions down below. Let me know, because now that I've done it, and I've done it twice, well, I would have done it twice, I kind of know what I'm doing. I'm not an expert by any means, but I know a little bit about what I did here, and I'd be glad to try and help you out with yours. So go ahead, don't be afraid, drop the comment down below. Or if there's some advice you can give me for the next time on how I do a how-to or anything like that with Miss Dora here, something you want to see, something you're curious about, such as fitting, say, a 30 tire on here, a 30, can't even think what it's called. It's been a long day. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave me a thumbs up if this video helped you out. if it helped you fix your mirror or do something on your mirrors that you needed done on your 2016 Ford Explorer or isn't this the 5th gen Explorer? I don't know. I'm not a Ford guy. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button and have yourself a wonderful evening. We'll catch you in the next video.